The shipping business today deals with numerous systems and complex processes regarding fleet management solutions. Offshore vessels deal with inspections, inventory, reporting, planned maintenance, and more. Onshore, offices deal with procurement and logistics, safety and vetting, document management, fleet management, and data supervision, all in different departments and via different systems. Using different systems is very time-consuming, and you risk making several mistakes as you go along. We offer you one system to deal with all your needs. Certica. With Certica, you choose which systems you need with the opportunity to select more if necessary. Certica provides a software platform that functions equally well at the office as it does on board any kind of vessel. All systems are operated from a user-friendly interface demanding a minimum of computer skills. If you know one screen, you know them all. Communication ship to shore and shore to ship is secured with an offline feature that allows vessels and offices to operate even in areas with no internet connection. And as soon as access is established again, data is synchronized. Continuous synchronization also means that re-establishing a damaged server on a vessel can be carried out without problems. The result is cost optimization, reduction of manual processes, seamless communications, and increased availability. Certica is developed in close cooperation with numerous shipping companies and fleet managers around the world. Support is carried out by highly competent staff, who are also the ones developing the system. We are committed to service worldwide. Can you afford to rely on multiple systems and several providers? If not, let Certica do the job.